a boat in the desert. Don't you think that's weird? I got plans to build a life and spend it with my awesome wife. And your big plans are in my way. We'll build your boat, but let's do it another day. 'Cause I've got plans.
I've got plans for me and you.
I've got plans
for us to do.
Yeah, but your big plans are in my way.
I've got